The 38th Vasant Noida's Grand Annual Flower Show has officially begun at Shivalik Park, inaugurated by Member of Parliament Dr. Mahesh Sharma. This four-day celebration is drawing nature lovers from across Delhi, organized by Noida Authority in association with the Noida Floriculture Society. The 2026 edition presents nearly 120 varieties of flowers, plants, and shrubs. This year's central attraction is a magnificent floral replica of Kedarnath Temple, paying tribute to Lord Shiva and reflecting spiritual grandeur through vibrant blooms. From alyssum and aster to marigold, salvia, and viola, the festival showcases a breathtaking spectrum of colors. Visitors can also explore an exclusive herbal and medicinal plant section featuring Ayurvedic wellness species and practical home-growing insights, with around 80 stalls offering plants, gardening tools, pottery, and eco-friendly products. The event blends creativity with sustainability. The signature floral tunnel walk stands out as a visual masterpiece and a favorite photo destination. Recognized as one of North India's largest flower festivals, the Vasant delivers scale, artistry, and strong community participation, a true celebration of nature in full bloom.